Soliloquy. Spring tiptoes in on citrus air, with sun that's warm but mostly fair, a gentle glow, a kindly heat, not yet the skillet on the street. The garden hums, now's your shot, pick it quick before we're hot, 'cause around late June, the sun turns vengeful by noon. So out I dash with bowl in hand, a hopeful harvester of the land, while everything still looks alive, and not like something air-fried. The butter lettuce soft and sweet, unbitter, tender, cool to eat, still dewy from dawn's caress, not yet a crispy fossil mess. Green onions stand in tidy rows, with spicy breath beneath their toes. They whisper, "Snip us while you can, before we bolt and ruin your plan." The nasturtiums flare, orange and red, like little suns on leafy bed, peppery petals bright and bold, edible fireworks in gold. Italian basil, lush and grand, perfumes the sweat upon my hand, while purple basil, dark and sly, pretend it isn't going to fry. Cherry tomatoes, tight and round like rubies scattered on the ground. They practically jump in the bowl to dodge July's incinerating roll. And there, the noble elephant food, succulent, plump, in spiky mood, a garnish brave, a desert star, defying heat, at least so far. For summer waits with blowtorch grin, ready to crisp us from the skin, to turn my thriving patch of green into a beige, dramatic scene. So, toss it with oil and cheer, add lemon and salt. Spring is here. We feast before the oven sky decides the garden needs to die. Oh, fleeting weeks of tender grace, before the sun goes full disgrace. We harvest fast, we chop with glee, we eat in mild humidity. Because in desert gardening school, you learn one sacred urgent rule. When spring says now, you do not stall. You pick, you rinse, you eat it all.